Okay, sophomores, remember from yesterday, on Monday, we said probably the most important aspects to remember in photosynthesis is comparing the light reactions to the dark reactions. We talked about this many times when it comes to the light reactions, okay? And we have a video similar to this that we took on Monday, okay? Things we want to know about the light reactions, okay? What does sunlight do, okay? So as that is shining down, we want to know it does something to water, okay? So what happens to water in this reaction? Well, that's going to get split, okay? We know we've got this segment and we've got this segment. So what happens then, one of those two elements is then used, or excuse me, not used as a byproduct. And we know that plants give off oxygen then as a byproduct, okay? So then what happens is this element then, okay, will push electrons in the electron transport chain, okay? So the reason that's important is as these electrons get excited to higher and higher levels, it allows them to produce what we refer to as ATP. And what that does is allows them to make sugar then. Okay? So that's the light reactions. Okay? As we said, sunlight takes water, it splits it, the hydrogen then pushes electrons, the electron transport chain, and then what that does is the end result is allows plants to produce carbohydrates in the form of sugar, and then they can burn that in the form of ATP. That's the light reactions. Then we also talked about the dark reactions, okay? Okay, which is also known as the Kelvin cycle. Okay, and what happens with that is these plants go through CO2 fixation,